Welcome aboard. This guide will make your first time cruise booking a breeze. Conquering your first cruise booking. Booking your first cruise can feel like navigating uncharted waters. So many options, so many decisions. Where do you even begin? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you. Together, we'll demystify the process and have you sailing towards relaxation in no time. Let's dive in and chart your course for an amazing journey. Setting sail with ease, discovering the joys of cruising. Imagine waking up each morning in a new destination with breathtaking ocean views greeting you. From sun-drenched beaches to bustling cityscapes, every day brings a new adventure. One of the most appealing aspects of cruising is its all-inclusive nature. Your accommodations, meals, and entertainment are often included in the upfront cost. Cruises offer a plethora of onboard activities, ensuring there's something for everyone. Charting your course. Essential tools for cruise booking. First and foremost, determine your budget. This will help you narrow down your options and choose a cruise that aligns with your financial goals. Next, consider whether you prefer to book directly with a cruise line or enlist the help of a travel agent. Travel agents can provide valuable expertise, personalized recommendations, and often have access to exclusive deals. Familiarize yourself with different cruise lines and their offerings. Smooth sailing ahead. Your step-by-step booking guide. Choose your destination and cruise line. Start by deciding where you want to go and which cruise line best suits your needs. Do you envision yourself exploring the Caribbean, sailing through the Mediterranean, or venturing to Alaska? Consider factors like itinerary, onboard amenities, and overall cruise line reputation. Next, select your dates and cabin type. Once you've chosen your destination and cruise line, determine your preferred travel dates and cabin type. Do you have flexible dates, or are you bound to a specific time frame? Cabin options typically range from interior staterooms to luxurious suites, each offering different levels of space and amenities. Explore shore excursions. Enhance your cruise experience by pre-booking shore excursions. Finally, review and confirm your booking. Let's walk through a visual demonstration of the booking process on a popular cruise website. Upon accessing the website, you'll typically find a search bar where you can enter your desired destination, departure port, travel dates, and number of guests. The website will then generate a list of available cruises that match your criteria. Clicking on a specific cruise itinerary will provide you with detailed information about the ports of call, daily activities, dining options, and cabin availability. From there, you can select your preferred cabin type and proceed to the booking page. Finding your sea legs, tips for choosing the perfect cruise. Choosing the right cruise can make all the difference in your overall experience. Consider the ship size and atmosphere. Larger ships often offer a wider array of activities and dining options, while smaller ships provide a more intimate and personalized experience. Research the itinerary. Carefully review the ports of call and shore excursions offered to ensure they align with your interests. Book in advance for the best deals. Avoiding rough seas. Troubleshooting common booking issues. Even with careful planning, unexpected issues can arise during the booking process. Sold out cruises. If your desired cruise is fully booked, consider alternative dates or inquire about waitlist options. Passport and visa requirements. Ensure you have all necessary travel documents well in advance of your departure date. Bon voyage, embracing the excitement of your first cruise. Congratulations on booking your first cruise. Now that you've successfully navigated the booking process, it's time to embrace the excitement and anticipation of your upcoming adventure. Don't forget to research travel insurance and ensure it's added to your booking, whether with the cruise line or another travel insurance company. For more information, check out a few travel insurance companies listed in the description below. Ready to set sail? Start planning your dream cruise today. Don't let the initial hurdles of cruise booking deter you from embarking on an incredible journey. So, what are you waiting for? Watch our previous video on the difference between booking with a travel agent or booking directly with a cruise line to decide what is best for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Thanks for watching.